Number 1. 1997 Ford F250, price $9,800, two-wheel drive long bed truck that has traveled approximately 190,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a 351 V8 gasoline engine with dual gas tanks, providing both strength and reliability. Finished in red exterior paint with a matching red interior, this truck offers a classic, bold appearance. Originally purchased brand new at Edwards Ford in Valhalla, it has remained a local truck since new. The vehicle comes equipped with air conditioning and heating, power windows, and power door locks, ensuring both comfort and convenience for the driver and passengers. Number 2. 1999 Chevrolet Silverado, price $9,000, dependable full-size pickup powered by a 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has approximately 241,000 miles on the odometer and features a floor-shift 4x4 system, offering reliable off-road capability and solid performance. The truck has received several recent upgrades, including a new transfer case, new headlights and taillights, and a new transmission with less than 4,000 miles on it, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. While it currently needs some AC repair, the Silverado remains a strong and trustworthy vehicle overall. Known for its durability and classic styling, this 1999 Silverado is a great option for anyone looking for a tough, ready-to-drive truck that still has plenty of life left in it. Number 3. 1994 Ford F250, price $6,500. It has traveled 319,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. It sports a striking blue exterior paired with a brown interior, and runs on gasoline. Powering the truck is a 351 V8 engine that has been recently rebuilt, ensuring strong performance and reliability. Originally a Georgia truck, this F-150 is completely rust-free and comes with a clean title in hand. It's equipped with air conditioning, power windows, power door locks, and a Bluetooth radio with new rear speakers, blending vintage charm with modern convenience. Recent maintenance and upgrades include a new windshield, AC compressor, starter, master cylinder, for new ball joints with alignment, and 4 Monroe Magnum shocks for a smoother ride. The steering system has been enhanced with a redhead steering box, Borgeson steering shaft, Pitman arm, and a steering stabilizer, providing improved handling and control. Additional work includes new brakes all around, a new radiator, Black Widow muffler, new coil, ignition control module, map sensor, wheel speed sensor, fuel filter, and a fresh oil and filter change. Number 4. 2000 GMC Sierra 3500, price $5,550. The truck has accumulated 323,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a tan exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a clean and classic look. Under the hood, it's powered by a 7.4-liter gasoline engine, offering strong performance and dependable power suitable for both work and everyday use. This truck remains in excellent condition, with all systems and components functioning as they should. It's a 4x4 model with an 8-foot-long bed, making it ideal for towing, hauling, or other demanding tasks. The vehicle has been meticulously maintained, with routine maintenance up to date to ensure reliability and performance. It also comes fitted with brand new tires and brakes, adding to its safety and driving comfort. Number 5. 1983 Ford F-150, price $7,000, features a black exterior paired with a black interior, giving it a bold and timeless look. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a 351W engine with a Kef black bottom end and a Crane Cam's thumper cam, delivering a deep, aggressive sound and strong performance. The truck has new exhausts with cutouts, new tires, and the engine has only about 2,500 miles since it was rebuilt, ensuring both reliability and power. While the radio system still needs to be completed, the vehicle runs exceptionally well and offers a classic yet thrilling driving experience for any enthusiast looking for a vintage truck that blends style and performance seamlessly. Number 6. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. It has approximately 220,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a brown interior, and runs on gasoline with a 5.7-liter V8 engine. The truck is in excellent mechanical condition, with a strong engine and transmission that deliver reliable performance. Its suspension and power steering operate smoothly, providing a comfortable and controlled driving experience. There are no check engine lights, indicating that the vehicle is well maintained and ready for immediate use. The Chevrolet 1500 also showcases several custom upgrades, including headers, a 10-inch rough country lift kit, custom rims and tires, and a custom front grille. Additional modern touches such as LED lighting enhance both style and visibility. Number 7. 1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. The truck is an automatic transmission pickup finished in sleek black with a contrasting tan interior. Powered by a 454 big block Chevy engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission, this truck delivers strong, reliable performance with the unmistakable sound of classic American muscle. The build, completed around 15 years ago, shows minor blemishes consistent with age, giving it a bit of character and vintage charm. Under the hood, the 454 truck engine features a mild cam for enhanced performance, supported by dual electric fans and an aluminum radiator that help maintain optimal cooling. Number 8. 1991 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,700, showing only 74,000 original miles on the odometer. It features a 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and 2WD drivetrain, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. The truck comes in a striking blue exterior with a gray interior, maintaining a classic single-cab, long bed configuration that reflects its original style. The current owner has made several thoughtful upgrades and maintenance improvements, including swapping in a newer NBS master cylinder, servicing the front brakes, installing a new set of tires, and adding rear-lowering shackles to level the stance. Over the years, the truck has been driven on and off as a daily driver. Showing consistent care and functionality, while mechanically sound, it does come with a few cosmetic and minor functional issues typical for its age: a cracked dashboard, worn driver's seat, a finicky turn signal stalk, non-working radio, and rear brakes that need servicing. It could also benefit from a proper wheel alignment to ensure optimal handling. Number 9. 1976 Chevrolet C20, price $9,750. Under the hood, it is powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, delivering smooth and consistent power on the road. The truck runs and drives well, showing the kind of durability that Chevrolet's heavy-duty lineup was known for during the 1970s. All major systems are functional, with the exception of the speedometer, which currently needs attention. Other than that, everything operates as it should, making this C20 a strong and roadworthy example of its kind. It is currently owned by its third owner, a detail that highlights its relatively short chain of ownership and careful upkeep over the years. Number 10. 1987 Dodge D150, price $6,500. This truck has only 64,000 miles on it and features a 4-speed manual transmission paired with a reliable slant-6 engine. Finished in classic white with a blue interior, this two-wheel drive pickup showcases an authentic patina that highlights its vintage charm. It rides lower on brand-new method wheels wrapped in brand-new tires, giving it a distinctive and refreshed stance. The truck runs and drives flawlessly with no mechanical issues, reflecting the care it has received over the years. It was purchased from the original owner and comes with a clean title in hand. Combining timeless design, mechanical simplicity, and dependable performance, this Dodge D150 is a standout example of a well-preserved classic pickup.